so hot in here. I need to get an air conditioner.
One hour later.
Oh, it's so heavy to bring this thing. So, this is called the TIG air conditioner.
TIG air conditioner? Yeah. That's actually cool.
Let's install one by myself, okay?
2 hours later.
Wow, that's so cool. Guys, look at the sound. It's actually very quiet.
Oh, it's so cold here. What? You feel frozen?
It's good. Oh no, I'm hungry.
Let's go to the top. Let's get. Ten minutes later.
What? It's a think water again? No, it's not. It's a think water, but mineral. We call it think mineral water.
Here! Please, I need 3.
What? You need 3? I did bought 3. Alright, let's taste it. Phew! Plastic straw. And drink.
That's very good.
That's very good.
Hey TIG, why won't you use a plastic straw for that? Oh. Hey, rubber chicken! Vacuum! Um, 20 minutes later. Wait.
Ever.